guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? Today we are filming in a different spot of my house. Surprise! We're gonna talk about monthly favorites. I don't want to rush through this video because you know favorites and hauls are my favorite videos to film for you guys, but we are fighting against the sun right now. And you guys, my unfavorite for this month is fall fallback. It's basically controlling my entire life. I get sleepy around 6 o'clock when it's dark and I think it's nighttime. So we are fighting against the light right now. We're losing it. Since I'm in a different spot in the house, I don't have artificial lighting. So all of this glow that you see is all natural. Thanks to the sun. We are going to talk about monthly favorites. I've been loving a bunch of stuff this month and I wanted to share it with you guys. So the very first two items that I want to share with you are two items that I wore together, but I've also can't stop wearing them apart. And I needed to share with you guys, and I also wanted you to get them too so we could be twinning. First of all, I got these at Nordstrom when they were having a sale. These are the Spanx leather looking leggings. Oh, you guys. So you guys know Spanx is my best friend. Like Spanx, I'm thin. I've always said it, I'm thin. I don't think I'm like, I don't have a spectacular supermodel body, but I'm thin. So most of the time people are like, Spanx aren't for thin people, you're ridiculous. And I'm like, no, Spanx are for everyone. If you guys like the ruche dresses or sweaters, if you guys like that really smooth silhouette look, Spanx are your friend. I don't know about you, but I'm not a leggings fan. It takes a very particular pair of leggings for me to wear them, and that's in and out of the gym. You know what I mean? So these are actually pants that are leggings that look like pants. So Spanx, thank you for reinstating my faith in leggings. They are high-waisted. They're very sleek. They are chic and polished. They don't look like you're wearing leggings. With booties and a really cute sweater, it looks really good. But the way that I've been wearing them is with this guy here, which is another favorite. This is a Sherpa vest from Fabletics, and I do have a vlog coming up in partnership with them. This video wasn't endorsed by Fabletics, but I'm like, I love you. Does this come in other colors? Because I need it. This vest, you guys, is so warm, it's so fluffy, but it's tailored. So you feel comfortable, you feel warm, you feel like you're being hugged, but it still gives you that silhouette look. So if you're like, all right, well, I wanna be super comfortable, but I still wanna look kind of cute, you're welcome. Okay, moving away from fashion, let's step right into beauty. Y'all know beauty is why we're here. Beauty is how I got started. Makeup is my jam, and it takes a lot to impress me these days. It takes a lot for me to find a new product where I'm like, oh, sweet Moses, you've changed my life. Beautycounter, you have changed my life. All right, the Beautycounter eyeshadows. I have this very horrible bias for green, non-toxic green beauty brands because I was under the impression that it was either all cream-based products or they were loose powders. That's the only format that I've ever seen any green beauty brands have their products. Always cream or loose powder. Ain't nobody got time for that. Like, I want my products to last all day and I don't want to make a mess. Y'all know I'm an animal with my makeup. I make a mess, so I don't need help making that mess. The Beautycounter eyeshadow palettes are amazing. They are a little bit pricier because it is a healthier brand. I really wish the healthier stuff wasn't so expensive. You know what I mean? It's like you try to eat organic and you try to eat green, but it's more expensive. These are the three eyeshadow palettes from Beautycounter. I actually haven't used the classic one. This is the one that I'm showing you right now. This is classic. Haven't used it, and I've purposely tried to avoid it because they're the colors that I normally gravitate towards. So I'm like, no, get out of your comfort zone and use these palettes. These are the Romantic and the Statement. This is Romantic. This is the cool tone mauvey shade one. So pretty. I'm gonna leave a link to a Get Ready With Me where I use these. And then this is the Statement. This is the fun one. How pretty is this palette? They are rich, they're creamy, they're pigmented, they're beautiful, they stay on all day. I don't use an eyeshadow primer. They're amazing. I mean, they are top quality. I mean, they will stand up and hold their own against any other brand that you like that is pigmented, that is blendable, that is creamy, that stays on all day. I mean, they're up there. The color that you see in the pan is the color that it delivers, which I hate to say, but that's kind of rare these days. Moving on from that, another green beauty brand that I discovered was Ilia. And Ilia is one of those brands that does do like the cream blush, cream highlighter, cream, everything, strobing stick type, you know, products. But their lipsticks, oh my gosh. I'm going to insert 2 pictures of 2 lip colors that I've used and won't stay off my lips. Not the one that I'm wearing right now, but Rococo and Rosette. A beautiful pink and a beautiful like burnt terracotta. Beautiful shades. But again, a lot of green beauty brand lipsticks that I've used are very sheer. They're very balmy. These are bold, they're intense, they're extremely pigmented, they stay on all day, they're beautiful, and they also have some fun colors. They do have that cherry red and that like vampy color, and they're all very intense, very pigmented, and they stay on all day. They don't dry out your lips either. The full name, if you guys are looking for them at like Sephora, is Color Block High Impact Lipstick. This is what the packaging looks like. Okay, moving on to another lip product. Winter just showed up in Dallas. Surprise, it's winter! And it was the Tundra. My lips were chapped in like 2 hours. Glossier rosebalm.com. This is a universal salve. You could use this on elbows, on any dry patch you have, knees, feet. It is a glorious, magical product. It comes in different scents like coconut, original, birthday cake. Worth every penny. A few dabs of this and my lips were no longer in pain. Now, obviously the chapping takes a little bit of while to reverse, but it just provides so much soothing comfort, and you automatically notice your lips start healing the minute you apply the salve. It's a brilliant product. I would repurchase it over and over and over again. And I forgot how essential this is to my winter routine. I feel like I need to do a winter essentials video, like products that I can't live without during the winter because I turn into a crocodile and I really need to maintain all of this soft. Okay, moving on. I forgot how good this foundation was. I was trying to use a different face product the other day when I was filming Get Ready With Me. I couldn't put it down. I was like, F this, I need to use it in all my Get Ready With Me's, in all my makeup applications. Like, I can't put you down. So the Osmosis Performance Wear Satin Foundation in Natural Medium is my exact shade. It is so good. It's like a foundation. It feels amazing. It evens out your skin tone, but it doesn't look like you're wearing makeup. So it suits the purpose of a makeup, like a base product. It evens out skin tone, it covers blemishes, like it full on covers everything, but it doesn't look like you're wearing a foundation. What? Yeah, it's one of those products that's like, I got you. I'm gonna make you look naturally perfect. Like, I woke up like this, but you're actually wearing foundation. Yeah, it's that good. And the last product, you guys, ode to my eye cream. This would be in my winter essentials if I filmed one. So I told you guys that I have a dry patch on one of my eyelids. I've had it since I was like 15. Every winter it comes back if I'm not using this eye cream. I know how good this product is to me and I stray from it, but the minute winter comes, if I'm not using this product, it comes back. And it tries to ruin my life. So the Dermadoctor Eye Balm, if you have eczema around the eyes, dry skin around the eyes, you're aging around your eyes, you're losing collagen, and that area of your face is just drying out, this eye moisturizer will completely change your life. I discovered it years ago. A Sephora cast member recommended it to me. I brought it home and I've repurchased it for over, I would say 5 or 6 years, over and over and over. I always have it on hand. I talk more in depth about it in a weekend vlog that I will also link in the description box below. But you guys, I don't know why I stopped using it. I love it so much. I know it's gonna treat me well. I know it's gonna take away that little crusty patch of dry skin that I have. I don't know why I stray. Your love could be so perfect and yet you still stray. Why? I don't know. And then I regret it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Dermadoctor Wrinkle Revenge Eye Balm. I'll never do it again. Now it's public knowledge, it's public record. Hold me accountable. Anyway, that is it for this monthly favorites. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I will list and link all these products in the description box below. But like every monthly favorites, you guys know your homework. Let me know what a couple of your monthly favorites were. Let me know in the comment section below. I love to hear from you. I love to know what your favorites are, and I love to twin with you. So if you have these Spanx leggings or you get the Sherpa vest, y'all need to send me a picture. I want to see how cute you guys look. I love you guys so much, and you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye guys!